Hello, hello, everyone. Welcome back with the second regular Sudoku, a Sudoku Medium in today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, December the 8th, 2021. We have more than 3 weeks to go, end of the year. Exactly 23 days. Yes, then it will be the last day, 23 days, yes. But first, we will solve this medium Sudoku. And by the way, I've told you earlier, we have no extra Sudokus in this newspaper on today. What I will do is to continue with yesterday's newspaper. We have 4 puzzles left. So, first I will solve this baby number 3797. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus, this will be a 2 stars. And for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright, that's my time limit, so let's get started. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Alright. Okay. I cannot continue with 8. How about the 1 in this column? The 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And I cannot continue with 1. How about the 7 in this column? 7 in that column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Well, cannot continue with the 7. How about? Yeah. 3 in this row. 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Yeah. Let me think. Think. Yeah. 5. Well, we have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the third row, the row below, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. There 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Alright. Okay. Yeah. How about? Yeah. Two. Two. Come on. 6, 5, 2. Hey, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8. No 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 8 in the third column. 8 in the first column. So the column between the second column. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8. Well, cannot continue with 8 now. How about the 2 in this column? 2 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. There 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. There 5, no 5 in that box. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 5 in the last row. 5 in that row. So the row between only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 5 earlier. And now we have a 5 here, so this box cannot be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. Alright. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. Alright. Alright. Okay. Then. How about 4, 3, 7. Well. 1 box left. These 2 boxes in this big square. Not 1 box, these 2 boxes in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, 7 and 8, and the 9 is missing, 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in the last row for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing, 4 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this last column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 7 is missing. Alright, 7. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. Cannot continue with the 7. How about 7, 2, 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 2, 7, 6, 2, 7, 6. And look, we have a 7 and a 6 in this row. So no 7 and a 6 in this box. The 7 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and a 6, 7 and a 6. 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. Alright, 2, 2. And the okay, 2 and 4, 2 and 4, 2. Whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the middle column. One of the missing number is the number 2. Well, we see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. There 2, no 2 there. So only one place left for the 2 in the middle column should be there, the 2. Okay. 2 missing numbers in the first row for the numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, and 6 is missing. 4 and the 6. And look, we have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 4 in this row. 4 in the second row. So the third row, the row below, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Then. 2 missing numbers in this row. The third row, 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing, 3 and the 9. 3 and the 9, look, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8. We have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 will be here. And 8 goes there. Alright. 8 in this column. 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Do we have all the 8s? Let me count. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 8. Yeah. Okay. Then. 1 box left in the first column for the number 1, 2. The 3 is missing. Okay. 3, yeah. So we have a 3 there. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 3. We have 1, 2. Yeah, the 3 is missing. We have a 3 there. So no 3 in this box. The 3 goes in these 2 boxes. So we have a 3 in the last column. 3 in the column, one of those 2 boxes in this column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. Okay. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 6. Do we have all the 7s? And all the 7s are used. I can't see. This is number 4, number 7. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. Then 1 box left in the middle column for the number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. So, one box left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. Okay. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. So 1, the 2 is missing, 3 and a 4 is missing, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this column. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can't be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. So we have a 4, 2, wait. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing, 5 and a 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 6 goes there. Final 2 numbers for this big square. The 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5 and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, we have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 2 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Yes, told you. 15 to 20 minutes I need for solving this 2 stars puzzle. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later for the last regular puzzle, a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix. Until then, bye bye for now.